How a nutrition expert really eats. Depriving yourself of favorite foods can backfire, research suggests, because it can make you crave them more, leading to overeating. Here are 7 tips for maintaining balance and for eating well when you don't have a lot of time. 1. Make veggies your lazy snack. Always keeps carrots, cucumber slices or celery sticks on hand for a quick snack. That helps meet goal of eating at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, and it means the easiest choice is a healthy one. It's amazing how satisfied can be by just having a bag of baby carrots at desk. 2. Focus on the perimeter of the grocery store. Most supermarkets place fresh, whole foods such as fruits and vegetables, dairy products, meat and fish on the outside edges, with processed and packaged foods in the center aisles. Select in-season fruits and vegetables to have on hand for smoothies, lunches, snacks and dinner sides. Pick up a few versatile and budget-friendly favorites such as frozen broccoli, green beans, edamame, corn and berries. 3. Read the nutrition labels on packaged foods. Buy the same kinds of yogurt, tofu and whole wheat bread. But when picking up an unfamiliar brand, scan the nutrition labels. With breads and breakfast cereals, whole grain is the first ingredient and have at least 3 grams of fiber and less than 5 grams of sugar per serving. Try to stay below the same sugar level when buying flavored yogurt. Often chooses unsweetened yogurt and adds her own honey and vanilla at home. For canned soups and jarred sauces, which can be quite high in salt, choose those that are lower in sodium. 4. Get creative with smoothies. Smoothies aren't just for breakfast, and they're not just about fruit. They can be a satisfying meal with protein, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals. And unlike juices, they include all the fiber found in the fruits and vegetables that you toss into the blender. One of favorite lunches is a smoothie made with frozen banana and mango, fresh spinach or kale, kefir, almond or peanut butter, chia seeds, rolled oats, and milk or almond milk. It's quick, delicious and incorporates all of the food groups. 5. Explore your food cravings. Start with a nourishing snack such as trail mix, yogurt, a piece of fruit or baby carrots. If still craving, try something sweet, salty or cold. Identifying the specific craving and fulfilling it is more effective than trying to stave it off or substituting something else that isn't quite what wanted. 6. Meal prep on the weekend. The weekend is when we have time to slowly simmer large batches of favorite comfort foods. Chicken stock from leftover bones, tomato sauce, chili, vegetable soup. Cooking stock from scratch means it'll have less sodium and more flavor than packaged broth or bouillon cubes. Freezing stock, sauces and soups into smaller portions can be used in the weeks or months ahead. 7. Don't deprive yourself of foods you love. Depriving yourself of favorite foods can backfire, research suggests, because it can make you crave them more, leading to overeating. Sometimes by merely allowing something, it makes it easier to adhere to a healthier pattern.